Hey guys, welcome to our how-to series where we learn the basics in mathematics and their applications. Today we are going to learn how to add and subtract large numbers without a calculator, of course. Looking at the numbers that we see below as our examples, we align the numbers vertically by place value. This means units, tens, hundreds, vertically over each other, and this will help you because it creates columns that help you to add vertically. Therefore, when we start to add, we start with the units, or what we call the ones. Therefore, we're going to say 5 plus 7, that will give us 12. So we write down a 2 and we carry 1. Then we say 1 plus 9, that is 10. 10 plus 8 would give us 18. Then we carry another 1. Then we have 1 plus 6, that would give us 7. 7 plus 2, that would give us 9. So that would be our answer. There's another method also called the breakdown method. So with the breakdown method, what we do, we're going to have 6, 9, 5, and then you're going to add plus 200. So we take this 2 over here and you add it here. This is mostly where you're calculating from your head without actually writing the numbers down. Then you just break it down and say 695 plus 200, that would give us 895. And then you say 895 plus 80, that would give us 975. Then you say 975 plus 7, that would give us 982. That's their breakdown method, but at the moment we are not going to focus on the breakdown method. So let's remove that. So now we are going to focus on the second one. Similar method we're going to follow where the numbers are placed vertically. We are going to have 5 plus 9, that gives us 14. 14 plus 3, that gives us 17. We put 7 down, we carry 1. Then we say 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 6 is 23. We put 3 down and we carry a 2. Then we say 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So that's how easy it is to add numbers, large numbers together. This is actually the quickest way to learn, especially when you are doing Maths Olympiad, which is mostly what we focus on in this channel. So if we look at the subtraction of large numbers, we remember with addition, we carry over, but with subtraction, we borrow. So if we look at this, we say 1 minus 4, 1 cannot minus 4, so we are going to say we borrow from this side, this will be left with a 4. And then this side, we're going to have 11. Now we're going to say 11 minus 4, that will give us 7. And then we're going to say 4 minus 7, 4 cannot minus 7, so we're going to borrow. But now we have a 0 in here, so there's nothing to borrow. The 0 will borrow from the 3, we have a 2 here. Then we have a 1 here. So now we have a 10. Then we still have to borrow for the 4. So the 10 will now be a 9 because we're borrowing 1 from the 10. And now we have 14. Then we say 14 minus 7. That will give us a 7. Then we say 9 minus 6. That will give us a 3. Then we have 2 minus 1. That will give us a 1. So that is our answer there. So in the last number, if you can look at it, it looks more complicated. What we are going to say is 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 7, so 4 cannot minus a 7. We are going to start by borrowing from the 6. Then this gives us a 5. Then we are going to say this will be a 15. Now we're saying 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Then we move to the second part. We say 5 minus 4 is 1. Can 1 minus 3? We are not going to do that again. We're going to borrow again a 1 from this side. This will become an 8. And this will be 15. Now we're saying 15 minus 4. It gives us 11. 11 minus 3. That gives us an 8. Then we move to the next part. 8 minus 3, that is 5. 5 minus 8, 5 is not going to minus the 8, we are going to borrow again. So this will be a 10, and the 1 will be gone. So we have a 10, now we're going to borrow there. This gives us 18, the 10 now becomes a 9. Then we say 18 minus 3 is 15, 15 minus 8, that will give us a 7. Now we're saying 9 minus 6 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. So that is our answer. Even with our subtraction, we can use a breakdown method. If we are going to look at breakdown method, we have 10,965 minus 6,000 minus 2,000. So we're taking the thousands away first. Then this will give us 10 minus 6 minus 2, that is 2,965. Now we've subtracted these 2. Now we're going to say 2,965 minus 300. That would give us 2,665. Then we minus the 800. That will give us 1,865. Then we minus the 40. That will give us 1,825. Now we minus the 30. We are on the tens now. Then this will give us 1,795. Then we minus 1 minus 7. This will then give us 1,794 minus 7. Then will be 1,787. Same as this number here. I hope that this has actually helped, and I believe that with using this method, it would be easier to add and subtract large numbers from now on. If you'd like to learn more from our how-to series, please like and subscribe to be notified when we post new videos. Watch out for our next episode on how to multiply 2 or more digit numbers. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.